Hey traders, this is our weekly Forex analysis for the week of March 21st to the 25th. So welcome to our weekly Forex analysis. Let's go ahead and start. So we are continue trading with our multiple time frame system here on our Forex trading channel. So let's go. Let's see what the market is doing. And so today we're gonna go ahead and start with USD JPY. Pay close attention, guys. I'm gonna start with USD JPY, like I said. So unfortunately, guys, USD JPY is still bullish. Pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard will not lie to you. It will not disappoint you, guys. So this is the benefit of trading with multiple time frame here on our Forex trading channel. So our dashboard stating that we are bullish. So our multiple time frame is also confirming that we are bullish here. Look at the stairs. Stairs don't lie. Boom, boom, boom. Everything still bullish. So up to now, market still bullish. So Friday, the market left us in a bullish trend. So we're getting an indication here, Irvin. The market is gonna do a reversal, but that reversal is not ready yet. So that means the market here is still bullish. So this is what I think the market will do, guys. I want you to let me know, hey Irvin, I think I like your analysis. I think you is wrong. Whatever is in your mind, please comment below. Because here on our Team with Irvin channel, and our Forex trading channel, guys, you expecting to get the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified so you don't ever miss anything from our Forex trading YouTube channel. All right, so this is what I think the market will do, guys. Like I said, market still bullish, so I believe the market still has potential to go another 15-20 more pip up. Then from there, yes, we are expecting to see a retracement retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci, which is gonna be support and resistance in this area here. So this level here is pretty nice. Then the market is gonna make another retracement, and then most likely what I'm expecting to see here, guys, I'm expecting to see here our multiple time frame confirming the USD JPY is gonna be in a sell position. Right now it's still bullish. There's no indication whatsoever that we need to sell. So hold on tight. Maybe on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, we are gonna have that sell position, but right now there's nothing available. All right, any question, guys? Hopefully you guys this makes sense to you. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have for you, it is GBP USD. Let's go. Pay close attention what GBP USD is doing, guys. What is your dashboard saying? Oh, Urban, I'm in a buy position. Look at what the dashboard is saying. Dashboard is clearly telling you, hey buddy, we are bullish. What do you want to do? Look at what the multiple time frame is doing. It's saying the otherwise. It's saying, Irvin, market is bearish. So if it's bearish, what does this buy position here represent? That is a pullback. So market right now is in a pullback. This is me, guys. The trend here is still bullish, like I said in the beginning. So you see this bullish trend. So this is what I think the market will do. Market still has potential to come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. From here, we're gonna have a beautiful red arrow popping in this location stating, Irvin, yes, we are gonna do a continuation of that trend. Then the market is gonna retrace back, retesting this previous multiple time frame arrow in here, and then boom, market will go bullish. This is another pair that I'm expecting to see our multiple time frame here to form and give us that bullish trend. So we're gonna come back anyway on Wednesday or either Thursday. We're gonna record the before and after. What is the before and after, guys? What is it? So what we're gonna be doing later is we're gonna record another video to show you the candles. They are not here yet, so you can see and judge for yourself and say, you know what, Irving, so far last week it was an amazing week, guys. It was so awesome. So hopefully you saw that video. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you do see it, guys. Also in the description of the video, guys, there is my Forex fund link that I use. So if you don't have money to trade the market, buy a fund account and trade it. So you can use somebody else's money, but make sure you have to pass 2 tests, but they're pretty simple, straightforward, and trade with multiple time frame. All right, so the link is on the description. Take a look at it and let's go. All right, so moving on, guys, the next pair that I have for everyone here, it is gold. Gold is one of the most favorite trade that everybody's trading. Look, I told you last week, guys, gold is gonna create a TWE sniper entry, and boom, it did exactly what I told you. Hey guys, do me a favor, hopefully you guys are finding some value so far on this video. If you are, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you drop the comment below if you have any question, but make sure you respect the channel by giving us a thumbs up. All right, and share this video with many traders around the world, because everybody need to grab money, guys. A lot of other brokers, instructor guys, they charging you tons of money for what I'm giving you here for free. So stop paying for signal. Stop paying for signal. Learn how to trade. That's it. That's the only way out on this business, guy. Don't get anybody else rich by giving your hard work money so they can enjoy their life. Learn how to trade. Look, if you want to buy a multiple time frame, that's what I'm asking you. But other than that, you're gonna get all our weekly analysis for free. All right, so what is gold doing? Look at the dashboard. Dashboard don't lie. Boom, it's saying, Irvin, we are selling this pair. What do you want to do? Look, it's telling you straight up, what do you want to do? So what is a multiple time frame doing here? This is so organic, guys. This is beautiful here. Look, multiple time frames, Sir Irvin. Yes, we are in the sell position. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that yes, we are selling this pair here. Look at here. Here's a continuation of the sell. You tell me, is gold selling or buying? Look at here. It's clearly coming down in one direction. It's selling. So this is me for this coming week, guys. Market still has gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame here, our 61.8 Fibonacci level. There's a lot of support and resistance. This level is very neat. I like it. If it did respect this one, guys, market is gonna come back and retest this other multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 78.6 Fibonacci. But this is my weekly analysis. Let me explain you what I think. I think the market here is still gonna come back to your 61.8 Fibonacci, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. It's not gonna break this high here. I don't think it will. If it does, then this analysis is off. So I think the market is gonna come to your 50 Fibonacci level, and then from there, boom, market will drop, because market is only doing one thing, guys. It's only dropping like it's hot. What do you think? That's all it's doing. That's all it's doing, guys. I'm telling you, guys. Guys, another thing, guys, that I want to tell you, I don't know if I did mention it to you last week, but I'm highly wanted to let everybody know, guys, that everybody need to join our YouTube channel here, guys. If anyone in here has any question, this is our YouTube. This was our last week channel, right? So which was our forex trading forecast. Russia is no longer an auction for investors. So yeah, you know how that is, guys. Here's all the links. This is the link that I was telling you, my forex fund program that I use. So use this link to sign up. Use somebody else's money, but or if you guys have any question, join this free Telegram as well, guys. This is a free one. And this is my private Telegram. If you have a question that you want to ask me, send me a private Telegram and I will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so but let me know in the comment below. I'm here to help you out. So but make sure you guys support the channel, guys. So this was last week, before and after. This is how the thumbnail is gonna look. So instead of putting the date, we're gonna put link on bio, so like that everybody knows what to expect. Okay, I'm just telling you straight up what how I'm gonna do it, so like that you can prepare yourself. Fair enough? Fair enough. Now, all right, so let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you here, it is USD CHF. Pay close attention. Okay, guys, what is the first thing that you need to do on USD CHF? I'm gonna give you a few seconds. All right, perfect. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to pay close attention to your dashboard. Perfect. So whatever is your time entry that you're gonna enter on the market, the dashboard will give you the answer. So in my is 1 hour. 1 hour St. Irving was still selling. So Friday, market left us in a sell position on USD CHF. So it's doing. Now, what's next? The next step that you need to do is you need to pay attention where's your multiple time frame going with your dashboard. Look, there's no dashboard here on this sell position. The dashboard is here. Look, multiple time frame is here. Our TWE sniper entry is here. Look at this bullish trend. It just took off and it went crazy, guys. It went like boom. Then what are we doing here? What is last week was market doing? Market was giving us a pullback. So pullback still valid, guys. This trade here is still valid as a sell position. So all I can say for this week, guys, this is me. I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but hey, I want to let you know what I think. So this is me. I think the market is still selling. It's not bullish. If you tell me the market is bullish, then all this stuff here is wrong. So all I can say, guys, market still has potential to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame. So this level is very sweet between your 50 and your 61.8 Fibonacci. From here, pay close attention what we're expecting to see here, guys. And here we are expecting to see our multiple time frame to let us know that we are officially going in a bullish trend. And guess what? From there, boom, market will go back and retest this previous multiple time frame. Most likely it's gonna come back to your 23.6 Fibonacci, and then it's gonna do a small retracement. By then it's gonna be Wednesday. Remember, on Wednesday we're gonna record the before and after. Right now I'm giving you, data that does not exist. On Wednesday we're gonna give you the data that already exists on the market. So you can judge for yourself and say, you know what, Irvin, this forex trading multiple time frame is amazing. I really love to trade with Irvin here on our forex trading channel. So it's up to you guys. Look, I'm not sending you this analysis. This is for you to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But one thing that I want to tell you, basically, I don't know if I did mention it early, is that I'm not your financial advisor, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just giving you here analysis for free. I'm not telling you to take the trade, nothing like that. I am trading some of these pairs that are weekly analysis that I'm giving you. But the most important about this forex disclaimer, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. If you have questions, I already show you how to get in touch with me. Go down the description of this video. There is a free Telegram. There's a private Telegram. Join those two channels so you can get notified when we go live, and you can join us for free. All right, let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you, it is the most tradable pair in the world. That it is Euro USD. Now look, I'm gonna teach you a data here. I'm gonna teach you something that most likely you are paying money for it. Stop wasting your money. Stop wasting your money. Trading multiple time frame is the best thing you're gonna ever done. Look at here. What is your dashboard saying? Boom. Look, everyone is telling you we are in a buy position. But multiple time frame is saying otherwise. Look at here. Multiple time frame. TW sniper entry. Look at here. Here is a white arrow. Look at the evidence, guys. This is gonna be very sexy. So we are doing a pullback right now. So multiple time frame is here. Our TWE white arrow is here. This is what I'm expecting to see here this coming week, guys. Let me type it here because I haven't typed for a while, and I need to practice on my typing skills, right? Other than that, I'm gonna forget. So our TWE sniper entry is gonna show up in this area here, stating that we are officially on that buy trend. But before it shows that, guys, this is my weekly analysis. All I'm seeing here, guys, is the market still gonna still gonna come back to this previous multiple time frame here, still here on the past, still multiple time frame. So it's gonna come between your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna retrace back, retesting this previous multiple time frame, and that's when your TWE sniper entry is gonna get activated. And guess what? From there, you're gonna get a green arrow in here, same arrow as you see in here, double arrow here, double button, and boom, market is gonna go off. Look, this is another way that I can explain. Let me delete everything. Actually, let's not delete the TWE. Look, this is another way you can see the market, right? Look at here. Here's a shoulder, here's a head, and here's gonna be another shoulder. So the market here is gonna make a small retracement, like I said, and then it's gonna make that correction, and it's gonna break all this, and boom, we officially gonna be in the buy position. Look, we're gonna come back on Wednesday. Even if I'm wrong on right, guys, you're gonna see it on Wednesday, because right now all I'm giving you is in a weekly analysis. It may work, it may not, but the market is always right, guys. I can be wrong, but the market is always going to be right. But I want to trade with the trend, guys. If the trend is bullish, look, everything is telling me here so far, Irving, the market is bullish. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is also confirming that we are bullish. So I need to pay attention. I need to go with the data. If the data said Irving go up, I need to go up. If the data said go down, I need to sell. But don't trade money you cannot afford to lose, guys. Trade with multiple time frame. The link is on the description. Send me a private message if you need help, and I will make sure that you learn how to trade this business. But what are we doing today, guys? All we're doing today is something very simple. It's not hard. All we're doing is we are very worried about what happened in Ukraine, guys. Please pray for Ukraine. But here on our weekly forex analysis, guys, it's a free information we're giving you. It's not for it's not signal, because we don't give you signals. But thank you for watching our weekly forex analysis, and God bless you. God bless the world, and God bless Ukraine, and the most important, guys, here, God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. And remember, trade with multiple time frame, our forex trading business. So let's go, guys. So once again, thank you, God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye. Hasta la vista.